Logan's toe.
Hmm?
Is Logan's toe?
I haven't even asked.
Face up, face up! Fight Caleb, Taffy! Open up, Anish! Back, go! Come on, lads, step up! Hey, what is you in the middle! Outside! Good! Yeah, Camry!
Good bounce, boys.
Hold. Good way out. Force it back now. Slide. Behind. Again. Out.
Nice pass, buddy. What the?
The defender passed it.
I put my hand up.
That's the whistle. Yeah, we passed it. There's no way that was
The whistle was off. The whistle was blown, man.
Maybe the guy didn't realize.
Relax, buddy.
Maybe he didn't realize it was from our guy.
Kick it back far.
I get it. I'd be pissed. That was a breakaway.
I think I made that call. As soon as the guy got the ball, I put my hand up and he put his arm up. As soon as he...
Turn really lift it.
Nick!
It's like lines. You could tell. I feel like it's special.
Maybe 26 too. Stay inside.
He's out of the box. Maybe you're out of the box. You touched it with your hands, man.
He's saying that he got it on his legs.
Yeah, that was in your hands.
Oh, he's in your hands, my friend.
So, probably technically.
Sorry, dude. Those guys are
Tony Hines.
he's tall. Dang. Yeah, they did.
What's this?
The defender is so tall.
He should be on the inside.
Should be on the other side.
Oh no.
That's yours! Hey, Steph!
Which way? He just put his flag up. He didn't put which way he was going.
Controversial at first.
Sides are famous.
Do we fight these guys before now?
No.
Next time, bro.
Trying to explain to me the rules.
Outside. Come on. I apologize.
Oh, we got a British striker.
Hey. Keep going.
Now you're offside.
Man, back to Billy. There we go, boys.
Go. 50-50 if you only go for the ball.
Yeah, you know.
Oh! Shady.
Try Shady.
Well done, Matt. Well done, Matt.
Don't let him out. Must see you there, Jess.
Release.
Rid of that ball.
You're gonna fish every time, boys. Get rid of the ball.
Smart with your tackle.
Yeah. What he said.
Just chat there and let him know. Don't overcommit, Eric. Hey.
Yeah, we gotta move the ball quicker.
Watch the guy.
Caleb's good.
Stop, guys! Hey! I got two. Win it!
Don't be afraid, Hamza.
Yes! Nick!
Good ball there.
Oh my God.
Jesse!
Okay, good.
That
That is horrible. Why wouldn't that guy just take it?
That's what I was thinking.
Too long break, dude.
That's the British guy. The British banger, I call him. Take your space.
Back now!
Go, Log.
Go on, Jess. Send him, Jack.
Send him! Send him!
Nice, nice. No, Logan. Oh, good try, Logan. Man, their defender's fast, right? 27. You're like
Let's pass Jackson. I think this is. This is Shady's dad in the red suit. It's a corner.
Put that in, Jackson.
It's definitely Shady's dad because he's video.
What's that?
It's definitely Shady's dad. He's off. That's offside. Every day. That's a handball. Good to it, Mac.
Help him! Jesse, quick! Play! Versus ball, Quick! Yeah. Let's move over!
Come on, Shady. It's on Shady. Hold the line, guys.
Hey!
Come on, ref.
That's obstruction.
Yeah. What was he calling it? On the ground?
No, it's just a throw.
Far.
Again. Yes, there you go. Keep going. Oh, he's pushing him down.
Whistle, boy!
JD has hard.
he didn't have his arms on him, he would have juiced him.
How like really watch certain things. I feel like I'm always watching different. Maybe because I'm just not used to it.
Outside, outside, outside!
Great ball, Hamza.
Oh, good on you. Good pass, Hamza.
I think so too.
It's not going that far. Oh, it's out.
Flick on to Hamza. Flick on to Hamza.
Flick it.
Go to it, Jackson. Don't wait.
Keep going, Steph. Keep going, Steph. Keep going. That's Jesse. That's the time. Here. Jump it. Yeah. Nick. Simple boss.
How are you?
Go. Who's sending the run to?
Push your head up first, Janice.
Oh, Lina.
Offside. Offside. They're gonna lose their shit.
You see who's offside?
Yeah. Go look.
Oh goodness. This is gonna get ugly.
Jesse!
He didn't touch the ball.
Keep going, Mike. Keep going, boys.
Okay, guys, keep going, keep going. Right. Shift.
Go long.
Go high. Go high. Go high, go to ball.
That's outside. Come on, you guys.
Play wide right. Good. Hassan, in the middle. Stefan's right. Jesse's left.
Yeah, go, 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 go. Get done. Back.
11s were.
Come back. One more.
Step.
Switch. There you go.
Oh, go Shady! Nice pass, Logue.
Yes, you're good. I mean, Nick, you can get that, son. Nick, turn. Nick, turn. Well in.
Good job, boys. Let's go.
Yeah. Run.
So yeah, I went to go. I was gonna go back to work in December, and then the doctor's like,
Oh, go Jackson.
Chip him, Jackson.
Go Jackson.
No.
Hey, I don't think you needed to push him.
Relax, old man.
Yeah.
Jackson, get your knee up.
Get your knee up, Jackson.
Steph. Alex. Stay safe.
Ray, behind you, Ray. That's you, Ray. Step, Ray.
Hey,
How's that not offside?
how can he run into him like that?
Well done.
Dirty.
Well done, boys. Keep that up, eh?
Jackson, no mercy on the old man.
Right. Keep love, keep.
Ian's good.
Switch that ball. Man on.
Go there.
Come on, man.
How is that a call?
It's on us, on them, right?
What's
No.
that calling us?
That's when you're on the field.
This guy's gonna call everything when you got your hands up.
He's not even close now.
Go, Jesse.
That's offside. Give him a card.
Yeah.
Go off the other side, man. You gotta give him a lecture? Maybe he needs to give you a lecture.
This is what offside means.
Turn it feet! Turn it feet! Brian! Go, get him up! Let's go. Get there! Yeah, I see you. Time! Time!
Come on, Ray.
What is that?
Do we like playing the rock soccer more or no?
Kind of. But like, he doesn't really like going to his practices. Two kids.
Why? What's the color?
For the long ball.
Oh, really?
Just gotta work it around this guy.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe we should just pass it around, keep possession, keep it on the ground. Like they were for the first little bit in the first half, right? That's what we need to do.
Oh, how do I do that better?
Come on, ref.
Whoa! Take it easy.
What did we... Who gave him the card?
Our ball 11.
Give him another one!
Who got it? They did or we did? They must
did.
have.
They got it.
He got one too.
I'll do.
Tight! Follow your players, lads! 9, 18, 18.
Keep it! Keep it!
Away!
Never gonna win this.
Back!
When's the last time we won one of those balls, guys? Honestly.
Come on!
How is he
Well
not offside?
off!
That's never off. I'm right in lane. That's not off.
I'm right here, man.
Off by
It was
12
off.
feet!
What an age man's wrong with some of everyone else.
I know. I know. He's wrong.
It's like watching Jerry Springer. More drama than goddamn soap opera.
There you go. Go, Jackson.
Playing well here.
Refs up! Hey, Kareem, get down! Refs up! Calm down! What did I do? You got an elbow! Yeah, Jesse. Hey, Ryan, Tyler, you're on ball. He's good.
You just need to be quiet on our side and listen to them. It's entertaining.
Fight amongst themselves.
Maybe he'll continue to be firing with another yell on the outside. That's all I can ask for, really.
Have a go.
Look at that ball.
Keep on there!
What?
I don't know how that's a foul when you
Got the
in
ball.
there and you get the ball.
Yeah, he really is.
Ray behind you.
I guess it around him. Who do you know? That was hilarious. Because you guys were all like, what?
Come on!
Tail, you got tail.
Go, Jackson! Come on, Shady! Oh!
Push in the back, ref.
You strong, Zion?
Boys, let's get one. Jackson? Oh, Jackson's up.
Hey, ref, up. Kareem.
Besides, I'm sure he's having one more.
Hey, referee!
You're on the wrong side, I think.
It's barking all over the place. The dog there is beautiful. Get rid of it. Get rid of that ball.
He leaves with the shoulder every time.
Get to it, get to it.
These boys.
Pass it around, boys. Just keep it. I don't like it when you got the ball.
You ready, Brando? For real? I'm trying to be consistent, man.
Hold the line, boys. Hold the line.
Hold the line. Brandon, see him. Ray, stick with your guy. Or hand him off, one of the two.
Ray, wide!
Take a step up when you're about to get the ball. Take a step up before you get the ball. Step
Up, boys. Not
Forward,
back.
forward.
Not back.
It's a shoulder, actually.
You have to sit out 2 games because if you go the then you have to sit out.
Let's go, Blue! Come on, Jackson.
All right.
Oh,
Get to it, Ray. Win it back.
Right. Come back.
What's you, Ray?
Keep, you gotta get there.
Don't go. Go back. Well done there, one. Well done.
Go for a run, Ray.
Nate.
Let's go, Blue.
Inside. Woo!
Good shot.
There
you go.
Nice finish.
Woo!
Get it yourself. Ray, behind, Ray.
Finish.
Okay.
Try Caleb. It's gonna be a flick, you guys, every time.
Yes, Jackson.
Have a go. Oh, good try, Jax.
Keep it up, boys.
Drop in, Ray. No, sides.
Corner right there.
Come on.
There you go, Brando.
Okay, brother?
Yeah, that's what I said. The end back. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I thought. And younger. Looked like he must be, you know,
I gotta get to it.
whoa, unfortunate life experience.
That's it, Finn. Wicked recovery.
Tip boys.
Hold.
Keep going, Zach.
That's off.
Just a little.
By a mile.
Just a little.
Wide, wide. Go for it. Go. Go. Take your space. Take your space.
Uh-oh.
Now you got cover.
Win it
Get
back.
back, get back. That's it, Zion.
No.
Oh, that was
He felt it, and that was it.
barely anything, though. He like got tapped.
What's up, Tiggy?
Can trip on his feet.
Ooh. Why are we getting that? Oh, can't do that. Who was that? Heath?
Probably like 5 minutes. Oh, yeah.
He's hot-headed for a little guy. Okay.
It's easy to make that
Got this,
sound.
Vinny.
It's easy to make that sound when you trip on your own feet, eh?
One left.
Follow it in, boys.
Thank you, Vinny.
Come on, boys, let's go! Come on, boys, head up now, come on!
Let's go, Blue. Lots of time.
Keep playing the ball!
Let's go. It was a nice window.
Join the attack, Brando. The guy sold it, and that's all it was.
Follow it in, guys!
It's over the line!
Jesus.
Don't start more drama than you need to.
That's out. Catch him, guys!
Let's go, Blue.
We just got to get shots.
Keep shooting, boys!
Nice, Ray. Well done. Good job, Ray.
What do you call him? For real? It's okay, Ian. It's the best place to foul them there.
Yeah, it is.
Relax, man.
Oh, take up the outside, Ray.
Sorry. Try. Try.
When you stopped it, I was like, where are you going?
No, not even.
That's what he said that he has a hard time with it, is when you guys are driving.
It's up here.
Come in.
Ray's trying.
Thank you. You're going to call it down there, you got to call it down here.
Stand still, gotta move, boys.
Be afraid. He's off.
Oh, wrong one.
That's offside.
It's offside. Flag was too early.
Yeah.
Oh, right there, yeah.